Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking MIUI and opening settings so you don't lose time. Once done, tap Wi-Fi and join the network you will modify. You must be connected for the per network DNS change. Make sure you wrote down your preferred DNS addresses like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8, 8, 8 because you will type them in manually. This avoids guessing and speeds the process. If MIUI menus differ slightly, look for similar Wi-Fi or network entries. You now modify the network details to override default DNS. First, long press the active Wi-Fi name or tap the gear icon, then select Modify Network or Advanced to reveal IP settings. Change from DHCP to static only if required to reveal DNS fields, otherwise use private DNS for a hostname like DNS. Google. Enter DNS1 and DNS2 addresses exactly, then save. Doing this replaces your router's DNS and often fixes slow lookups. Make sure spelling and you finish by saving and reconnecting so the phone uses the new DNS. Once reconnected, test with a web page or a network diagnostic app. Aim for faster lookups or resolved names. If pages still fail, clear your browser or app cache and reboot. This often clears stale DNS entries. If problems persist, switch back to automatic DNS or try an alternative like 9, 9, 9, 9. As a troubleshooting step, reset network settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.